Hello, Mr. Kenners here again. I'm actually in Rochester today because I've been out on an appointment for work and I haven't been out with a camera for a little while, so I thought I'd just bring my camera with me today. I'm doing something different. I've actually brought my 70-300mm lens and I'm going to actually just see what shots I can find. So I've come down to the river and walk along the river back through to Rochester High Street. I'm going to do a point of view and hopefully obviously we'll find some shots along the way, and I'm hoping you'll join me. So yes, welcome back. Obviously, I'm going to be doing a point of view today, and I've come down to Rochester, and I thought I'd just see what I can get with my 70-300mm lens on my Nikon D3500. I'm going to be shooting mostly in aperture priority because I think most of my subjects are going to be fairly static today, but we can see what we can find. So I'm actually down by the river at the moment. As you see, we've got a submarine in our river, so I'm going to see if I can get any sort of shots there on my 70-300mm of the submarine, and I think it's an interesting subject. Obviously I'm a bit close to it today, but I'm going to see if we can get. So yeah, so I'll just going to try and get another one. Try to get some detail of the sub as well. It's been here for a while now, that submarine, so it's interesting. I'm just going to see what other sort of shots there might be around by the river. Might get some shots of I've got a train coming across at the moment with the castle and the cathedral. So I'll start with some shots of the castle and cathedral. Just trying to get the train, but the train's going through the bridge at the moment. So I'll take a few and hopefully get the train in there as well. Yeah. It might come out, might not, because we've got the sun facing us at the moment, so therefore it might get sort of silhouetted out. So I'm just going to walk along the river here, head back into the town, and say just see if we can see anything at all. It's been a few weeks since I've done a video, not been able to get out as much again, and I want to just try and get more shooting done. So let's walk along and see what we can see. So my thought process for today is just to wander around, obviously, because I haven't been out much lately, and also on 70-300mm I don't use it very often. I've always wondered basically if there's any sort of shots I can get or different perspectives of things. So I thought basically why not start in my local town and see what we can discover. Yeah, so I've just found a composition of the castle and the cathedral together by coming across to the other side of the river. So I'm just going to take that picture now. I mean, obviously from here you can see it's a nice little day, nice day today as well. So I've dropped my ISO down. I'm just going to see obviously what it comes up with. Obviously using my 70-300mm, the image is going to be compressed a bit more, so I think it will look a lot nearer than it is. So I'm just going to take that now and see. I'm also going to do some portrait shots of the castle itself and zoom in on the cathedral a bit more. I think that'll work. And there's a building in the background about there. I'm going to see what that is, because that might make for a little shot as well. Quite nice greenery. Zoom right into 300mm. Let's just get it where I want it to be. Yeah, so we'll see how that looks. Obviously I do have VR on this lens, so that will help me a lot. There's actually a shipwreck over there. I'm just going to see if there's any sort of shot over there as well for that. I've taken it and we'll just see. As I say, today's just going to be experimenting. No guarantees of what's going to be the results. And yeah, hope there's some photographs. If not, I'll say it's just getting out here again today. Nice day. Didn't want to waste the afternoon since I was out and about anyway, so I brought the camera with me. But I thought I'd try something different today, because I've been down to Rochester before with my 35mm lens, as well as also my 18-140mm lens. trying things differently. And plus I'm still trying to learn my styles and also discover what my lenses are good for and find the right focal lengths which I like to shoot with. I mean, I would always be interested to know what sort of focal lengths you guys shoot with as well. If you watch these videos, please let me know what your preferred focal length is. Do you have a go-to lens? Okay, I've now come across the bridge and over to the river, and I can see the submarine again just through the bridge here. I'll see if I can get a nicer picture of the submarine from here. Obviously with the 300mm lens it gives me a greater reach, so I'm going to just try and do that. Just again, these could be just reference pictures again as well, because I'm always going to come around this area again, so it gives me things to look out for. I would like to try and frame the submarine maybe in the bridge, but I'm not feeling it. I'm not sure I'll get the angle today, so I can see if there's any way of doing it. So it might work. I'll take one here again as a reference shot. It might work. The good thing about the compression of this lens, it brings everything closer. So I'm just looking for different perspectives of the castle if I can. There's one here I think might work. Got the flag flying. Yeah, it might work. We're going to walk up now into the castle grounds and see what we can see in there. There might be some more detail shots and stuff out of the castle today. Okay, I've taken a few shots of the castle. I didn't want to show filming while I was there because there was a lot of school children in the castle today, so I wanted to make sure I respected that, but I will show the pictures now. Okay, I've made it back onto the high street, so now I'm going to just wander down here for a little while, see if there's anything I spot, and then we'll be calling it a day. So it might only be a short video today, but it was just one I didn't have planned, just wanted to do anything with. Just really thought I'd come out because I had the afternoon. Well, about an hour or so spare. Okay, I'm actually going to end the video here because it's been a bit uneventful. Not actually seen much today. But again, it was an unplanned walk, and I was just obviously just trying to pass some time away. So obviously, if you have watched it, I do appreciate it as always. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if I have showed you any pictures along the way, I will put them in the video. If I haven't, then I'll put them at the end of the video for you. And then I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.